The semantics of relational logic does not, by itself, tell us which terms are equal and which are not. In fact, it's possible for every term to refer to a distinct object in the real world. And it's possible for every term to refer to the same object. While the semantics of relational logic does not constrain the equality relation, the idea of coreferentiality does. For example, it's not possible for us to believe A equals B and B equals C, and at the same time not believe A equals C. We can capture these constraints through axioms. First of all, the equality relation must be reflexive. This means that the relation holds of every term in the language and itself. For all x, x equals x. The relation must also be symmetric. If two terms refer to the same thing, it does not matter which one we write first in an equation. For all x, x equals y implies y equals x. Finally, the relation must be transitive. If we believe that A and B refer to the same object, and we believe that B and C refer to the same object, then A and C must refer to the same object as well. Let's see how we can use these properties to solve some problems of equality. Suppose we know that B equals A, and we know that B equals C. Let's prove that A equals C as well. As usual, we start our proof with our premises. B equals A and B equals C. We add our axioms for equality. First reflexivity, then symmetry, and then transitivity. Now we go to work on the proof. First, we use two applications of universal elimination on our symmetry axiom to derive the fact that B equals A implies A equals B by substituting B for X and A for Y. We then use implication elimination on line 6 and line 1 to produce A equals B. We then use universal elimination again to instantiate the transitivity axiom, this time with X replaced by A, Y replaced by B, and Z replaced by C. We conjoin the result on line 7 with the premise on line 2 to derive the conjunction on line 9. And finally, we use implication elimination to derive our overall conclusion. So it works, as expected, though it's a bit lengthy. But we'll see a somewhat faster way to solve problems like this in just a short while. This exercise tests your understanding of equality by asking you to prove a result using the basic equality axioms.